Enabling voice search on YouTube is a straightforward process that can be completed on PC computers, MacBook laptops, Android devices, or iOS devices like iPhones and iPads. To start, click on the search icon, which is typically represented by a magnifying glass. Once you're in the search section, locate the microphone icon on the right-hand side and click on it. If the microphone is disabled, a pop-up will appear. Click on Open Settings to access the device's settings. From there, select the microphone option and toggle it to the on position, which is usually indicated by a green color. After enabling the microphone, return to the YouTube app, click on the microphone icon again, and you'll be able to use the voice search feature. This process is similar across all devices. Simply click on the microphone icon, enable it in the settings if necessary, and you'll be able to search YouTube using voice commands.